Hi everyone, Vlogmas number 5. As you can see, I am here outside in the sun in front of that beautiful blue-green water over there. I'm still limping, but it's not that painful anymore. That's why I'm here. I am enjoying. We will be here tomorrow, here today, tomorrow, and we'll be leaving on Wednesday. So I want to enjoy this. Later on, I'm gonna swim there. The sun is actually not easy to step on when you have a kind of a inflammation going on in your feet. But yeah, this is Vlogmas number 5 and I'm having fun finally. I'm enjoying. I can go out. I got bored yesterday and I bring with me my projects, actually 2 projects. Hi guys, I am still stitching in this. I'm trying to finish this sheep. Yeah, a little bit of the sheep, a little bit of the berries there, and I'm gonna put like the star also here, and this and the snow underneath, and this will be done. Hopefully I'll get this done today. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm actually bored with this project. It's just, well, I enjoyed it and I want it done because it's Christmas. I want it framed and hang on the wall when I get back home. I'm just gonna frame this myself. It's nothing really special that I don't want to spend so much money on framing. But yeah, I'm working. I before I go deep there, the water, I wanted to at least get some things done with this. Um, and then I also brought. Where's the other project? Brought this with me too. This is the Santa Claus ornament on plastic canvas. If I get this done, I still have time to stay here. Then I'm going to work on both of them, and hopefully I can show you the update or the rest of the projects that I've finished in this vacation. I finished too. Yeah, I am here. I'm surrounded with retired people. I think they're all in their 60s and 70s. And it's Monday, yeah. The only people who can afford to be here without to worry about working are those, on retirement. I am not retired yet. This is my vacation. It is the kind of vacation that I have to use, or I lose it next year. I lose it for next year. So I actually allotted this to go home to the Philippines, but I changed my mind. That's why I have so many days off, plus the holidays, plus our 3 floating holidays. So I have so many days off, and this is probably my last opportunity to enjoy the beach before I go back to West Virginia. My boyfriend told me it's 30 degrees Fahrenheit over there. It's cold, so I'm going to enjoy this. I'm going to swim. The water in Florida is warm, and yeah, but let me do my stitching first and enjoy this. My plan is to be here in the whole afternoon until my boyfriend is back. He's meeting a friend right now, so I don't want to go with him. I'm going to enjoy this paradise. Oh my god, I'm happy that I have other content to share with you today. It's not Christmas related, but at least I'm stitching a Christmas project. Let's see what will happen with the rest of the day. Is he watching me? Hey guys, it is done. So I've just completed this tonight. I put my initials and the date, just a month and the year. This took me a long time to finish this part. My favorite is, well, are the mushrooms. And I like this part. Oh, I like this one too. And yeah, it's done. And so happy about it. I'm gonna frame this when I get back home and display this right away. Also, I still have time to stitch, so I'm gonna be stitching the Santa Claus tonight. This, guys, I have a finish. Bye.